Hey there, it's Jess Brown. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial about how you can make what I call a gratitude post for your Facebook fan page. And to show you what I'm talking about, I have a couple examples here. When I hit 400 likes on my fan page, this is what I did, just to show gratitude. And then when I hit 600 likes, this is the one that I did. And if you have a fan page, you know how difficult it can be to get these likes. And nobody has to like your page, they're choosing to do that. So for the fans that you do have, you want to show your gratitude, in whatever way you can. So first I'll tell you about this program called GIMP 2.0. If you go to gimp.org, you can download this for free. There is a bit of a learning curve to it, but if you go to lynda.com, they have a really great, they call it GIMP Essential Training, that has pretty comprehensive, goes all the way down to here, lots of training on how to use this program. And again, it's free, so if you don't have Photoshop or some other photo editing program, it's pretty helpful to have. So first, I'm just going to get out of here for now and go to the GIMP where I already have it downloaded on my computer. And first we're going to go to File, Open. And I have a background. I'm just going to use the blue canvas background that I had for my 600 fan like post. And there it is. Nothing more I really need to do to it there. So then I'm going to go back to File and select Open as Layers. And this time I'm going to select this image that I have of myself that I've already removed the background on. Once you have the image on there, you can move it around by using this Move tool. Make sure that you have this selected and not something else, because you might have, like a pencil or an eraser mark if you don't have the right thing selected. So after you have the Move tool selected, just move it to where you want it to be on the background. And then we're going to go to File again and click on Save As. And we'll just call this Thank You 1. Hit Save. And then to get the image out of this program, you have to export it to your desktop. So just hit Export. And then you'll see that it changes it to a PNG file. So we have Thank You 1, PNG, and then just hit Export. Export again. Now it should be on our desktop. And there it is. So now we're going to go to the internet to this other program that I really love called PicMonkey. It's also a free tool. And all you do, well, they do have a paid version as well that's probably less than $5 a month, and what you get with that is a few more fonts and a couple other features that I really need. But you don't need to have that. The free version still has plenty of options. So you just go to Edit a Photo, and then we're going to find the Thank You 1, Open, and there it is. Now this is where we can adjust the size. That's probably something we can do first. The posts for Facebook updates or fan page for your personal page or a fan page are 403 by 403, so you want to get as close to that as you can. That way your text isn't cut off, so it will just show up really nicely on the fan page. And as you can see, it won't let me get to the exact dimensions, so we'll just have to stick with this 512 by 403 and hit apply. And then click on P. And this is where you can add text. They have just tons of really cool fonts on here. Let's try to find a really neat one. I think this is the one that I have right here. That's already on the image, so I don't want to use that one. One that I really like a lot that's easy to read is the Shadows into Light 2. So you just select that and then hit Add Text, and you'll get this little text box here, and you can maneuver it around wherever you want. And I'm just going to say, thank you for watching my tutorial video. And then you can select the text and center it, resize it, probably a little bit too big. And there it is, and then we probably want to move it around so it's in a better position. You can also change the color of the font, maybe to something like, see how that looks. That's too bright. That looks good. So then when you get that the way you want, I'll just show you a couple other features it has. If you click on this thing that looks like a waffle or something, textures, there's all kinds of other interesting things. Like I'll show you this space one. Kind of gives you this weird effect. Obviously that doesn't really work for what we're doing, but I just wanted to show you how you can do these different things. There's light trails. You can add stuff like that. So I mean, it's got some really neat things that you can do with this program. You can get creative, and it is kind of addicting, I'll warn you. But we're not going to do any of that. We're just going to leave it as it is right there, and that's basically all you have to do. When you're done with that, you just hit save, and it'll give you these quality options, which you can decide. I always just leave it at the middle one, Pierce, and then just save the photo to your computer, and then you can upload it to Facebook, and your fans will like it, and you probably will get a lot more fans. I usually got at least 20 to 30 both times I posted. However, I did do a promoted post, but I know other people that haven't done the promoted post, that haven't had the 400 required posts to get the promoted post, and they've still gotten some decent results just by doing this simple thing, just to show gratitude to your fans. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.